Hello everyone, I am Manali Kaude from LG Polytechnic. In this ongoing tutorial series of subject.NET programming, up till now we have discussed about .NET framework and features of .NET. In this video of .NET, we are going to cover another important aspect which will be responsible for execution of any program written in .NET framework, that is Common Language Runtime. So watch this video till the end and let's get started. Common Language Runtime is abbreviated as CLR. It is a virtual machine which will behave as a runtime engine for .NET framework. It is a heart and soul of .NET framework. Developers write the code in a language supported by .NET such as C# or VB.NET. Then after, its corresponding compiler will convert its source code into bytecode, which is known as Common Intermediate Language, that is CIL, during compilation time. Like example, we have written code in C#, then CSC compiler will convert source code into bytecode. In runtime, CLR handles the execution of CIL, that is Common Intermediate Language, which was previously known as Microsoft Intermediate Language, that is MSIL code. At runtime, the CLR's just-in-time compiler converts CIL code into native code, that is the machine code, which any operating system can understand and start the execution. CLR is like a JVM of Java. When we compile our .NET program, it converts IL or you can say MSIL code. Then CLR with the help of JIT compiler will convert it into native code. Due to this CLR, we have some more features like cross-language integration, which means it provides interaction with the code written in different programming languages. Next feature is exception handling. It detects and handles the runtime errors. .NET provides rich set of standard exceptions. Next one is it enhances the security and deployment support. As in the previous slide, we have seen at runtime, JIT compiler will compile required code. So it does not matter how big your application is. But at execution time, only the required code is compiled and executed. So it ensures performance of system and improves the performance along with the ability to use other languages. If we have some assemblies which may be written in some other languages, you may use that in your current application as well. Finally, the last feature which is supported by the CLR is the garbage collection. In programming, whenever you execute a program, some memory out of the main memory gets occupied. Now, as soon as your program is terminated, it is responsibility to remove that particular memory space as well. So, the garbage collection feature of CLR will ensure all the memory will be removed once it has been of no use. This was all about important concept of .NET, that is the CLR. Now, we will see few questions related to this concept. So the first question is, Common Language Runtime is abbreviated as, you can answer this question in below comment section. Second question is, what is the use of JIT in Common Language Runtime? Third question is, Give full form of JIT. And the last question is, what is cross language integration? Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.